Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to download Photoshop Beta. In order to start the process, open your web browser in your PC. Now search here Creative Cloud Download. Here click on Download Adobe Creative Cloud Apps. From here, you can download this app by clicking Download Creative Cloud. Now, go back to your home page and open Creative Cloud app from the taskbar. Here, click on Apps. From here, you can install these applications. You can also try this application from here. You can also buy it from here as well. This is how you can download Photoshop Beta. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.